What makes one eligible for veterans disability compensation is the relationship between the physical or emotional disability and the veteran's time in service. It can be a mental or emotional problem that becomes more severe after leaving service. Exposure to things like combat or other serious injuries where people are killed or the veteran himself is injured or threatened lead to such situations as PTSD or depression. Typically, for physical things, it will be an injury in the service, being exposed to serious explosions and resulting concussions. Although those don't always seem serious at the time, it often appears that people suffer what are called traumatic brain injuries, and the sequela of that manifests itself as people get older. The way the VA determines the level of disability and compensation is by what they call rating exams primarily. They will send a veteran to an evaluation by a physician, or if it's a mental health issue, a psychologist or psychiatrist, who will give the VA a report that touches on various criteria about the severity of the particular condition. Depending on the nature of the condition, the rating can be anywhere from as low as 0% up to 100%. Typically, many claims are rated in the 10 to 30% range, but more severe claims, particularly claims involving mental health or serious injuries, may be rated as anywhere from 60 to 100%. That's actually very easy. What a person has to do is simply to contact the local Department of Veterans Affairs office. There's at least one office in every state. Most of them are in state capitals, but it varies somewhat from state to state. And tell them that they would like to make a claim. The VA will send them a form. If that's too challenging, and for some people with serious disabilities that actually can be too challenging, you can actually get your congressman or senator to send a letter to the VA on your behalf, and they will automatically open a claim based on that letter. The very first thing you should do if your veteran's disability claim is denied is contact the VA immediately and tell them you disagree. What you want to do is to put that in writing, and the Veterans Administration calls that a Notice of Disagreement, or an NOD. It doesn't have to be anything fancy. Basically, it can be just a short note or a letter saying that you disagree with the decision that they've made and that you want to appeal. That last part is magic language. You have to say that you want to appeal, but it's not a complicated process.